Embarking on a keto journey can be exciting, but it requires a solid understanding of its essentials to truly master the basics. Today, we'll delve into the do's and don'ts for beginners venturing into this transformative lifestyle. First, let's unravel what the ketogenic diet is all about. At its core, the keto diet is a high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carbohydrate eating plan that pushes your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. In ketosis, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy, turning it into a powerful fat-burning machine. But how can beginners seamlessly adapt to this unique approach? The first key element is the focused intake of healthy fats. Do prioritize incorporating avocados, nuts, and seeds into your meals. These foods are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients. Olive oil and coconut oil are excellent choices for cooking and flavoring your dishes. However, refrain from overindulging in processed or unhealthy trans fats, which can derail your progress and adversely affect your health. Equally important is your protein consumption. Do aim for moderate protein intake, emphasizing quality sources like grass-fed beef, free-range poultry, and wild-caught fish. These proteins are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and essential amino acids that support muscle preservation and overall well-being. Yet, steer clear of going overboard, as excessive protein can hinder ketosis by converting to glucose. Carbohydrates, often the central focus of many diets, are minimized in keto. Do carefully select your carbs from fibrous vegetables like leafy greens, broccoli, and cauliflower. Not only do they provide necessary vitamins and minerals, but they also keep your digestion healthy. Don't be tempted by high-carb foods, such as bread, pasta, and sugars. These can knock you out of ketosis, reversing your progress. Hydration is another critical factor in mastering keto basics. Do increase your water intake, as transitioning to keto can initially lead to water loss. Proper hydration assists in reducing the risk of keto flu, a set of temporary symptoms resembling fatigue and headaches. Furthermore, incorporating electrolytes helps maintain the balance of vital minerals. Don't underestimate this advice, as neglecting hydration could lead to unnecessary discomfort. Lastly, be mindful of your expectations. The keto journey is not a sprint, but a marathon requiring patience and persistence. Do monitor your progress, but don't obsess over immediate results. Instead, embrace the gradual changes and the revitalized energy levels that come with ketosis. To sum up, mastering the keto basics involves a balance of consuming healthy fats, moderating protein, and minimizing carbs while staying hydrated and patient. With these essential do's and don'ts, your path to successful keto adoption becomes clear, setting the stage for long-term wellness and vitality.